Welcome back to our Structured Query Language or SQL Programming Language course. We are in Session 6, SQL Data Manipulation Language. In this video, we are going to discuss SQL update statements. The update statement changes data in an already existing row, either by adding data to an empty column or by modifying existing data. Here is the syntax. It is update and then the table references, and then we want to set the column names equal to some data. And you can see here there's a list of columns, comma separated, and then there is a where condition. So you could pass in here where ID has some kind of a value, and only that record or set of records will be updated with new values. So let's have a look at an example of an update command, a typical update command. This is where we have update, the name of the table, and this is the table we're updating. We're setting class name, this is the column, equal to database reports, where class ID equals 3. So if we see here where class ID equals 3, we can see the old value, and we want to change the value of class name to database reports instead of database reporting. So we can go ahead and run that, and that was successful. And so now we can go in and list the contents of this table. And we can see here that the value of class name has been changed for the record where class ID equals 3. Here is a different approach for an update. This is an update. We're updating a different table here called class as. We still want to change that column name here. We see database reporting. But instead, we're going to use a subquery from a different table. In this case, it's class, where we were just updating the value. So here we could say that we know the current name, but we want to make sure that they are the same. And one of the best ways to do that is to select the data directly from that target table. So this is the command here. So this subquery is going to run return one value and place it here as the new value of class name, and then this where clause will come in and update the value for the record where class name column equals database reporting. So let's go ahead and run this query. And that was successful. And if we do this select star from and classes, we'll see that indeed that the update to the data for table classes has been successful.